Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's start. Pink color, sky blue, black, violet, light green, blue, red, green, orange, purple, yellow, and brown color. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A. A for apple. B, B for ball. C, C for cat. D, D for duck. A for ant. B, B for bat. C, C for cat. D, D for dog. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Small letters A, B, C, D. A for apple. A for ant. B for bat. B for ball. C for cat. C for car. D for duck. D for dog. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.